Let's learn about data cleaning with Regex. This is about pattern matching for text normalization. You can transform messy, inconsistent text data into clean, structured formats using powerful regular expression techniques. What exactly is data cleaning? Here's a simple explanation. Before cleaning, data can look like this: john.doe@gmail.com, open parenthesis 555 close parenthesis 123-4567, New York, New York, $1, 234.56, 2023/12/25. After cleaning, the same data looks much better. john.doe@gmail.com, 555-1234567, New York, 1234.56, 2023-1225. Why should we use Regex for data cleaning? It offers key advantages, including powerful pattern matching, find and replace operations, data validation, the ability to extract specific information, and the ability to standardize formats. For example, to clean phone numbers using Regex, you can write this code: import RE. Then to remove all non-digits, you can use re.sub, open parenthesis or square bracket \d close square bracket comma, single quote, comma text close parenthesis. After running this code, the phone number will be clean and only contain digits. Here are some basic Regex patterns that are commonly used. \d matches any digit from 0 to 9. \w matches any word character. \s matches any white space. +sign matches one or more occurrences of the preceding character or group. *sign matches 0 or more occurrences of the preceding character or group. Dot matches any character. Some pattern examples are also displayed. To remove all digits, use re.sub open parenthesis or single quote \d plus single quote comma text close parenthesis. To extract email pattern, use re.findAll open parenthesis or single quote \w plus at \w plus \w plus single quote comma text close parenthesis. To clean white space, use re.sub open parenthesis or single quote \s plus single quote comma, single quote space single quote comma text close parenthesis. Let's look at how to clean phone numbers. Here are some input examples of phone numbers before cleaning. Open parenthesis 555 close parenthesis 123-4567, 555, 123-4567, +1-555-123-4567, and 555 space 123 space 4567. After cleaning, these numbers become 555-123-4567, 555-123-4567, 1555-123-4567, and 555-123-4567. The cleaning code looks like this: import RE. To remove all non-digits, write phone equals open parenthesis 555 close parenthesis space 123-4567. Then clean phone equals read sub open parenthesis or single quote \d close square bracket single quote comma phone close parenthesis. Now let's normalize emails. Here are some input examples: john.doe@gmail.com, jane@yahoo.com bob@hotmail.com, and alice@company.org. After normalization, these emails become john.doe@gmail.com, jane@yahoo.com, bob@hotmail.com, and alice@company.org. The normalization code is simple: import RE. To normalize email case, write email equals john.doe@gmail.com. Then clean email equals email.strip open parenthesis close parenthesis, lower open parenthesis close parenthesis. Let's see how to standardize text. Here are some common issues in text data. Hello world should become hello world. Extra spaces should become extra spaces. Multiple space lines should become multiple lines. Special at $%chars should become special chars. Here is the standardization code. Import re. To remove extra white space, write text equals re. Sub open parenthesis or single quote backslash s plus single quote space single quote comma text close parenthesis. To remove special characters, write text equals re. Sub open parenthesis or single quote caret backslash w backslash s single quote comma text close parenthesis. And finally, to clean and strip, write clean text equals text strip open parenthesis close parenthesis. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. Always test patterns thoroughly. Document your regex expressions well. Use specific patterns for accuracy. Consider performance implications of complex expressions. Handle edge cases that might break your patterns. Key takeaways. Regex is powerful for data cleaning. Pattern matching saves time and effort. It standardizes messy data effectively and is essential for data preprocessing. Thank you. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.